news, views, voices of the global Indian community. India Abroad.
मेरा नाम देवेंद्र सिंह है और मैं हिंदी यूएसए का फाउंडर हूँ।
नमस्ते।
और यहाँ पे आज हम दशहरे मेले में जो एडिसन में लगता है वहाँ पे हिंदी के स्टॉल में हम लोग बैठे हुए हैं और हिंदी का प्रचार हो रहा है। हम लोग हिंदी यूएसए के जरिए करीब 4000 बच्चों को हिंदी पढ़ाते हैं और ये हिंदी का एडवर्टाइजमेंट है। हिंदी जो दशहरा का मेला लगा हुआ है, यहाँ पे लोग आ रहे हैं, हम लोग उनको हिंदी के बारे में बता रहे हैं और हिंदी की पुस्तकें वो उपलब्ध हैं जिनसे बच्चे अपना हिंदी सीख सकते हैं। और ये अच्छा कॉम्बिनेशन है क्योंकि हमारा दशहरा भी एक अच्छा संदेश भेजता है कि हमारी जो जीत है, जो हमारी बुराई के ऊपर अच्छाई की जीत है और हिंदी के जरिए हम लोग अपनी संस्कृति की जीत करवा रहे हैं। हमारी जो भाषा है हमारी संस्कृति का एक अंग है और अगर हम अपनी भाषा को उन्नत करेंगे, बढ़ाएंगे तो हमारी संस्कृति भी उन्नत होगी और हमारी जो यंगर जनरेशन है उसका भी फायदा होगा। तो हमारे करीब 400 से ज़्यादा वॉलंटियर लगे हुए हैं और इसके जरिए हम लोग बहुत काम कर पा रहे हैं और भी लोगों को जोड़ना है। और मुझे आशा है कि इसके जरिए हम लोग हिंदी की सेवा कर पाएंगे और अपनी संस्कृति को आगे बढ़ा पाएंगे। धन्यवाद।
President of Salhin, a non-profit organization addressing the broad range of mental health needs of South Asian community. First of all, I want to wish happy Dussehra and upcoming happy Diwali to the community and thank the organizers for having us here. So we have a variety of programs that we conduct. We have support groups for anybody with drinking problems or someone who has lost a loved one to suicide, or young people who are challenged with stress, they can connect with other young people, or anyone, women who are contemplating divorce or are divorced, they need support from other women with similar experience, they can connect. We have a helpline, they can call us. We distribute them, we provide help, guide them, provide support and hope. So you can check us out on website samin.org, samin.org. Thank you.
Join that as well.
I am the wife of late Mangal Gupta, who started this Dussehra program in 1999. All the reasons because of at that time in New Jersey there was no any program which we defend the culture of our Sanatana Dharma. So he has reason to start this Dussehra program. So our new generation, they don't know what is the Ramayana and what is our Dharma, what is our culture. So his vision is dreaming and it completes his dream that today we have 26th Dussehra program and we have so many vendors, so many participants in Dussehra festival, and there is Ram Leela, which is Navrang Dance Academy is playing the Ram Leela with 78 characters, and we have so many vendors, fruit vendors, Meena Bazaar, and there is lot of media which is covering India Abroad, ITV Gold, and all that which I cannot explain everything about it. There is short of time, and I appreciate India Abroad. They are covering our festival, and I appreciate the people who come and celebrate the Dussehra festival today with us. Thank you very much.
Hi, this is Bharat Mittal from Agarwal Samaj, USA, and this is Dr. Sachin Nair, one of the founders of Agarwal Samaj, and we're all volunteers, and every year for the last 15 to 17 years we conduct free medical camp in Dussehra Festival. So we gather around 18 to 20 different specialty doctors, internists, pulmonologists, cardiologists and all that. So yeah, our community का free service to the community. It's a free medical camp. Anybody can walk in and they can do a blood work a week prior. They can take an appointment, do the blood work. They can get a free flu shot, COVID shot, and you have all the specialty doctors sitting in, free consultation, eye specialists, ophthalmologists, dentists, all of them. So we usually see every Dussehra festival over 250 patients, and typically we notice a lot of people who come at a booth are parents who are visiting their children in India, from India, जिनके पास insurance, travel insurance होता है. They're not able to easily see the doctor. So that is one thing we notice, that we see a lot of parents who are visiting here. So that is very touching and it feels good that they are able to get a free health checkup. So that is one thing that we always do, and we are always known for that. And we do Pani Seva in India Day Parade, and that's again feeding, distributing free water concept in India. So this is all started by Dr. Sachin Garg and his team who started Agarwal Samaj. So they came up with this concept, how can we give back to the community? So we are all volunteers and we just follow what we said. So I just want to thank you and thank India Abroad and Bhavani Saab. Thanks for stopping by the booth and interviewing us. Thank you.
Hello, Namaste, Jai Shri Ram. My name is Varsha Naik and I am the owner of Navran Dance Academy. Navran Dance Academy is performing Ramlila for last 11 years. We did a 27 show in a row and today was the 28th show in a row. And in our Ramlila we have a participant age from 9 months to 17 years. So we have all age category kids and adults are performing Ramlila here. The basic reason is to promote our Hindu culture, our Sanatan Dharma among this American Indian kids, those who are born here. Because in India we get so many opportunities to understand our roots, our culture, but here if we are giving them this type of opportunity, I believe that our kids will definitely learn a lot of things from our culture, and that is the main aim, to perform, to choreograph and to direct the Ramlila. And this Ramlila is basically performed by 85 participants this year. And again we are very thankful to the India Abroad for covering this special coverage of Navran. We are thankful to Indo-American customers. Thank you for giving us the opportunity.
Thank you.
Thank you.